Hello everyone, my name is Shanuko Fernando. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do pressure wash cleaning. So in the behind scenes, it's a fuel station in Melbourne, Victoria. So this fuel station hasn't been cleaned for last 6 months time. I mean the pressure washing. So the floor surface is very dirt with mud, leaves and so many rubbish around, and also around the fuel pumps got full of oil and grime. So we're gonna take everything off with a special chemical, and I will show you guys how to do it step by step. Stay with us and see how we're gonna clean the place. Let's have a look. For this cleaning we are going to use a special degreaser. We are going to use soap spray gun. So we have put quarter of degreaser here and rest is water.